There's an OMEN 15, I believe, is it? No?
15?
Is it?
I have no idea, honestly.
I don't know. It's an OMEN. We're gonna replace a bad fan, which is broken here. You see that? This guy broke it. He broke the fan. I saw him. And we're gonna replace it with this one here, as you can see. And we were able to buy this one on eBay. Amazon didn't have them. Still a little dirty here and there, but we'll see if we could clean it some more without me touching it now, because I don't want to mess it up. All right, you got to move this back because it's hooked on this right here. Make sure all 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, and 4 are removed. Pull it back, swing it back, and it just kind of falls in place. How swollen this is.
Right, just like
right.
Obviously not, they don't have enough time to like create a shot, so you gotta protect the rim.
Yeah, but like what they said when they did the review, they had time to draw it up.
Oh yeah, that's what happens.
Like review. So,
well, that's what they do now. They just review everything.
Yeah, and then that was crazy. But it's a good game.
Yeah.
It seems like they're gonna go.
The Suns?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's gonna be Suns Bucks.
Yeah. I don't know how they would have. That was just one defense they could have just did, just avoid the lob.
Yeah.
You rather do that. The two should have just took over, instead of let Booker.
Positioning too. Zubac, I think he was like under the rim, so he can't block.
Yeah, that position was all wrong.
Yeah. It was a good game at least.
No, the playoffs is all right.
A lot of injuries. It kind of sucks.
Yeah. Phone doesn't stop ringing, friend. Well, it's hot. What's up, Edgar? It should be fine. Its data is unlimited on the phone. As far as hotspots. No, you should be fine with the mobile. Yeah.
All right, you got to make sure you have this screw here and this screw here, and then this one right here, valid screw right here. But actually, I went ahead and I put it in there already, where it should have been on the top instead of the bottom, but it's okay. Nothing's gonna happen. Just make sure these are connected. This is gonna have to be a little bit more embedded in there. And that's it. Let's go ahead and put all the, and I'm gonna have it leftover screws.
my PE, that's what I'm trying to do still. For structural engineering.
Look at this damage right here. Fan's damage, doesn't work no more. Could have been the power supply. Could have been the fan, but we just replaced it. Connections are back to normal. And we're gonna just close this up. And that's it. And then we're gonna put the battery in there. You know what? Let's put the battery now. New batteries in. Put all the screws, we're all set. There's one fan working now. And of course, the second one is working too. You can hear it. And we're in business, new battery and everything. That's about it.